Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a new command for the Borehole importer and place that on a ribbon tab. So here I have my Civil 3D Toolspace. I'm on the Toolbox tab. Here's the Borehole importer. I want to know what command that calls so I can create a new command within the AutoCAD CUI for that. So I'll right click here and tell it to execute. And I'm just going to close this, but if I look on my command line, it called RBD. RBD. I'm writing that down. Okay, so now I'll go into the CUI. Okay, if I want to place this on an existing tab, I can do that. In this case, what I'll do is I'll create a new ribbon tab. Okay, so I'm in here, ribbon tabs, right click, new tab, and I will call this delete me. Okay, that will have to have at least one panel, so I'll create a panel as well, new panel, and I'll call that delete me. Okay, now onto that panel then I want to put that command, that TBD, but TBD won't exist here in my command list. So what I do is I need to make a new command. So I go here to this button, create a new command. Alright, what's the name going to be? And I'll call it Borehole, whatever, Borehole. Okay, so come down to the macro. What does it call? It calls TBD and put an enter at the end. So that's a semicolon means enter. Okay, what image to use? Whatever, right? I really don't care, so I'll use that one. Okay, so now that command I'm going to apply, make sure that gets applied. So that command is now in my commands list. It's called Borehole. So all I have to do now is take that command, drag it up, and drop it onto, in this case, row 1 of the panel called delete me. Now I have to also make sure that I drag this panel up and place it on that delete me ribbon tab. This part is tedious. If someone knows a better way to do this, please type in here. And there's that delete me tab, so I drop on that. So there's the delete me tab. So I'm going to apply that. Okay, so now I want to make sure within my, I'll set this as my current workspace. Okay, whoops, I didn't mean to say new, I meant to say current. So within that, I'm going to customize that and be sure that the ribbon tab called delete me is turned on. Okay, that's all I need to do. So let's apply that. I should be finished. So I will OK to that. So now you'll see I have this delete me ribbon tab. I come over here and I hit the button. Unknown command TBD. So we might want to try RBD. Oh, sorry, it's RBD. Okay, so I go find my command, which I call Borehole. Sorry, that's RBD. And there we go.